that we will take part in the 27 West Kasihil District level inter-school athletic meet 2022. In loyal competition, respecting and abiding by the rules that govern them, in the true spirit of
Labon Bones Nemba ka West Coast Hills Kamsham la yo shu ban penlong ya ka jing kendo lang Jonki School ban shimmenta ha ka jing lekai sports ba bonjai Henry Menta Usnem ka kong Ballerinas Aim District Sport Officer Jong ka West Coast Hills kalas dang biang ban penlong ya ka district level inter-school sports meets Hamadan Jong ka Nongstoin Sports Association ka balas dang menta ka singi balang khatwai trik ujamang araja ar ban on pen kut no ha ka khatlai trik kata ka singi tho ding ban wan Hagatek district level inter schools meet araja R4R kidon tang kombak hat artlik school kiblawan ban yeshim benta. Wat la hapdeng ke jingpynwit jong uslam kate ke jingile kai sport kala iaid bank haga bala play ya ka da ka kong els imle district school education officer West Castle district.
Extracurricular activities and sports teach students many important life lessons. It teaches discipline, focus, dedication, commitment, and hard work. The primary focus in many cases in academics, which certainly is an important aspect in building a student's career and life. But many fail to recognize the importance of sports.
We can say that we do not have proper sports. Especially in these 2 years, the students were all inside their homes. They have lost the spirit of taking part in the activities. They did not get a chance to take part in the activities. Well, today I feel it is a great delight once again to see the students standing in the field with a lot of excitement to await for their turns to take part in the events to follow. So it really feels good to see you all with your eager faces and aspiring children gathered here today. Finally, the day has come after a gap of 2 years of the pandemic that has disturbed the life of each and every one of us. The performance, the activities, even the academics, it has been disturbed very badly by the coming of the pandemic. But I believe henceforward, from now onwards, we will be having a good time in the academics as well as in the extracurricular activities.